Welcome to the self-learning series on linear regression. This video will cover the fundamental concepts of linear regression, its variations, training methods, and evaluation metrics. Linear regression is a supervised learning algorithm for predicting continuous values. It models a linear relationship between the input x and output y, aiming to find the best fit line through the data points. Simple linear regression uses only one independent variable, x. Its equation is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the intercept. The model minimizes error to fit a straight line. Multiple linear regression uses multiple input features. This allows the model to capture more complex real-world relationships. Each feature is assigned a weight or importance in the equation. The cost function measures model performance. The mean squared error, or MSE, is the most common, penalizing larger errors heavily. The goal during training is to minimize this value. Gradient descent is an optimization algorithm used to minimize the cost function by iteratively updating the slope and intercept. The learning rate controls the step size taken in the direction of steepest descent. The normal equation is an alternative to gradient descent that finds the best parameters mathematically and directly. It is effective for small datasets but can be slow for very large ones due to matrix operations. Linear regression relies on several assumptions, including a linear relationship between variables, low multicollinearity, normally distributed errors, and homoscedasticity. Also, strong outliers should be avoided. Model evaluation metrics include the R-squared score, mean absolute error, and mean squared error. A lower error indicates a better model, and an R-squared score closer to 1 signifies a good fit. Underfitting occurs when the model is too simple, leading to poor performance. Overfitting happens when the model memorizes the data, resulting in poor generalization. Achieving a balance is key, often addressed through regularization. Regularization techniques like Ridge or L2 and Lasso or L1 prevent overfitting. They add a penalty to the cost function. Lasso can also perform feature selection by setting some coefficients to 0. Feature scaling makes all features similar in scale, which is important for gradient descent. Methods include standardization and normalization. This prevents one feature from dominating others. Residuals are the differences between actual and predicted values. They are used to check model quality and should be randomly distributed. Patterns in residuals suggest model problems. The train test split divides data into a training set to learn and a testing set to evaluate. A common split is 80/20ths, ensuring the model generalizes well and prevents overfitting.